Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot HONOR X5c Plus. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now simply tap on the restart button, tap once again to confirm. Now our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. Also, rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device health and its performance, because basically during that process our phone rests and also the RAM gets freed up. So rebooting our device is completely okay from time to time, for example once a week. And also, for example, if you have some issues with your performance, or for example certain apps don't want to launch. I had one situation when one of my apps didn't want to launch at all. That was the moment when I have performed a reboot and everything started working properly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.